For decades, a car was just a machine. Turn the key, press the gas, and go. But now, cars are evolving into thinking machines, powered by artificial intelligence at their core. AI is transforming everything, from predictive navigation and advanced safety to self-driving features and deep personalization. This isn't just about adding tech, it's a complete reimagining of mobility. So, let's dive into how smart cars are changing the way we move, forever. So, what exactly is a smart car in 2025? It's not just a touchscreen or a fancy dashboard, it's a connected, adaptive, and integrated machine. With high-speed internet, it communicates with the cloud, other vehicles, and city infrastructure. It learns your habits, routes, and preferences using sensors and AI to personalize every drive. Voice assistants are built in, letting you control your home, schedule, and entertainment hands-free. The car analyzes data in real time, optimizing performance and predicting maintenance before issues arise. Most importantly, it's equipped for autonomous driving, handling some or all driving tasks. Your car is now your co-pilot, always learning, always adapting, and always looking out for you. It's an active participant in your journey, not just a tool. That's the essence of a smart car today. Let's get specific. What AI features are in cars right now? Driver monitoring uses cameras to detect fatigue or distraction, alerting you instantly. Navigation is predictive, learning your routines and suggesting destinations before you even ask. Personalization is seamless. The car recognizes you, adjusts seats, mirrors, climate, and even lighting to your preferences. AI analyzes road conditions, adjusting traction and suspension for safety and comfort. Accident prevention is always on. Automatic emergency braking reacts faster than any human. These features are becoming standard, working together to make driving safer and easier. Your car is now your assistant and your guardian, quietly managing details and protecting you. It's not about one flashy feature. It's about a smarter, safer, more intuitive drive. That's the power of AI in your garage. Now, let's talk self-driving, the most hyped feature of smart cars. Autonomy isn't all or nothing. It's a spectrum from level 0, no automation, to level 5, full automation. Most cars today are at level 2. They can steer, accelerate, and brake, but you must stay alert. Level 3 lets the car handle everything in certain conditions, but you need to be ready to take over. Level 4 means the car can drive itself in specific areas. Think robotaxis in select cities. Level 5? That's the dream. A car that drives anywhere, anytime, with no human input. We're not there yet. Real-world driving is full of unpredictable challenges. For now, AI is making driving less stressful and safer, handling lane keeping, distance, and even lane changes. The future? You'll get in, set your destination, and let the car do the rest. But today, smart cars are already transforming how we drive. The journey to full autonomy is underway. Each step brings us closer to a world where your car truly drives itself, and that's changing everything about mobility. Smart cars aren't just smart. They're connected, forming the Internet of Vehicles. Cars talk to each other, V2V, instantly sharing info about sudden stops or hazards ahead. They communicate with infrastructure, V2I. Traffic lights, road signs, and parking garages all send real-time updates to your car. 5G networks make this possible, delivering massive data at lightning speed for safety and entertainment. Cloud-based navigation means your car always has the latest maps and traffic info, learning from millions of other vehicles. If a car hits black ice miles ahead, your car knows and reroutes you instantly. The more connected cars on the road, the smarter and safer the system becomes. It's a hive mind, each car sharing and benefiting from collective intelligence. Connectivity isn't just about streaming music, it's about superhuman awareness and anticipation. Your car now sees, hears, and reacts to the world in ways no human ever could. AI's biggest impact? Safety. Predictive collision warnings see dangers before you do, even 2 cars ahead. Driver attention monitoring keeps you focused, alerting you if you're distracted or drowsy. Automatic emergency braking identifies cars, pedestrians, and cyclists, braking instantly to avoid accidents. Adaptive cruise control maintains safe distances, stops and starts in traffic, and even slows for curves. Hazard alerts warn you about blind spots and cross traffic, building a 360-degree safety bubble. All these systems work together, preventing accidents before they happen. It's not about replacing drivers, but supporting them when human reaction isn't enough. The result? Fewer accidents, safer roads, and peace of mind for everyone. Smarter cars mean safer journeys. AI isn't just about safety, it's about making every drive feel personal. The car recognizes you, adjusting seats, mirrors, and climate to your preferences. It learns your favorite music and podcasts, curating playlists for your mood and time of day. Ambient lighting adapts to your style. Calm blue for night, energetic red for sport mode. Route planning is personalized. The AI suggests scenic or fast routes based on your habits. It remembers your settings for driver assist features, adapting to your comfort level. The car continuously learns, reducing friction and anticipating your needs. It's not just a machine. It's a partner that understands you. Every drive feels tailor-made, deepening your connection with your vehicle. That's the new standard for driving enjoyment. The evolution of smart cars is just beginning. Next up, emotion AI, sensing your mood and adjusting music, lighting, or suggesting a break to keep you calm and focused. Predictive maintenance will spot issues before they happen, scheduling service automatically. The AI co-pilot will become conversational, helping with presentations, guiding tours, or finding points of interest as you drive. Augmented reality navigation will overlay directions and hazards directly onto your windshield. Cars will integrate with smart cities, reserving parking or charging spots before you arrive. Your car will know your routines, preferences, and even your emotional state, becoming your most personal device. The future is a car that's safer, more efficient, and perfectly in sync with your life. The smart car is evolving into an indispensable partner, and it's only getting smarter. The car of 2025 is no longer just a machine, it's your intelligent partner on the road. AI is redefining safety, convenience, and personalization, making every journey better. The technology is still evolving, but the direction is clear: smarter, safer, more intuitive mobility. The thinking machine is here, and it's only getting smarter. So, would you trust an AI to drive for you? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more on the tech shaping our future.